Meet Bill, Ted, and Steve. Bill is trying to sell his home, and for help, he hired a real estate agent at a 6% commission rate. After a few weeks of showing Bill's home, his agent informed him about one offer that was $20,000 less than the asking price. Bill was disappointed. He was not sure if his agent is sharing all the offers he received. Meanwhile, Ted is also unhappy. He wanted to buy a house. He and his family liked one particular home, for which he submitted a full-price offer to his agent. Unfortunately, his agent informed him that the seller chose another offer. Ted was devastated, with no way of knowing if his agent even submitted their offer on time. Now, let's check with Steve, who is extremely excited as he has received several offers for his home, and he is now busy choosing the best one. What's his secret? He listed his home within minutes to an amazing new marketplace called UList, where a vast number of buyers were able to view his property online and submit their offer instantly via the same marketplace. Welcome to UList. UList is an all-in-one home buying and selling service that allows sellers to immediately list their home and buyers to make an offer on a property instantly. They can directly connect with each other without the need for a middleman. All offers and contracts are processed electronically through our UList technology, therefore eliminating paper and time. UList is like an auction site without the risk and high expenses. All UList transactions, including inspection, appraisal, financing, and title, are supervised by a licensed real estate professional. We will inform, educate, and walk you through the entire transaction with a dedicated agent to answer all of your questions. There are no hidden or upfront fees. After a successful closing, sellers will simply be charged a 1% commission and buyers a $499 technology fee. And for no additional cost, you will have the option to include your listing on the MLS. UList not only creates transparency between buyers and sellers, but we also save you money, time, and provide confidence for first-time or experienced home buyers throughout the real estate transaction. So what are you waiting for? No matter if you want to sell your home with minimal fees or buy a house and negotiate directly with the seller, at UList, we have got you covered. Start searching for your new home or instantly list your home for sale by going to ulist1.com today.